Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone, for an update of tonight and the start of your long weekend's weather conditions. But let's start off first with our satellite loop, and here we see it's been mainly clear over western South Africa today. It's been quite warm over the northern and western Cape. Up in the far northern parts of South Africa, on the other hand, it's been quite cloudy, including in Gauteng, and this has allowed for temperatures to remain below 20 degrees across the area. It was fairly cloudy in KwaZulu-Natal as well, but the cloud cover has been gradually dissipating across that province. Now for tonight, it's going to remain clear to partly cloudy for most parts of South Africa. There is a very slight chance for a few showers over parts of the northern interior. Tomorrow, on the other hand, will be partly cloudy and dry. It's going to be warming across the Eastern Cape and in KwaZulu-Natal, while for the west coast we could see some morning fog. It's going to be cloudy in places, and because of that, it's going to be a somewhat cooler day tomorrow. Now tonight's rainfall probability map indicates that very slight chance for a few showers over the northwest province and Gauteng, perhaps even into parts of Mpumalanga. Those showers will be dissipating by late evening, and we're not expecting any further rainfall by the early hours of tomorrow. Now, a closer look at Bloemfontein. It's going to be another cold evening, an overnight low of 6 degrees, mainly clear with light winds. And tomorrow is going to be mainly clear once again, no rain in the forecast, and it's going to be dry and warm with a maximum temperature of 26 degrees. Winds over the rest of South Africa now, and we're not expecting much in the way of significant wind speeds. We are expecting a northwester to start developing along the western coastline. That's what's going to be pushing in the cloud cover and that chance of fog across the area. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll see winds picking up to between 20 and 25 kilometers per hour across much of the Karoo and the Northern Cape interior. Minimum temperatures now for tomorrow morning, and it's going to be cold over parts of the central interior as well as the Mpumalanga Highveld, single digits for those areas, 12 degrees for George and Port Elizabeth along the south coast, but a warm evening for Cape Town, Durban as well as Richards Bay, all three of those areas dropping down to 16. Tomorrow afternoon will be pleasantly warm for most of South Africa, remaining cool in places over the Free State and Mpumalanga and in Gauteng, Johannesburg at 22, 33 degrees on the other hand for Uppington in the Northern Cape, and we're expecting temperatures in the upper 20s for parts of the Eastern Cape and KZN coastline. Moving ahead now to Saturday, and it's going to be partly cloudy to clear and dry across South Africa, a high of 29 degrees for Kimberley. And on Sunday, a chance for thunder showers will develop over the Eastern Cape, and rain will be spreading in between Port Elizabeth and Richards Bay. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com